Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning, which means Robin and I have been to Bel Air and done our weekly shopping. This week was a breeze. We went a little early because Robin's got a hair appointment at 9, so we went a little early. And she's got a date with her brother to help celebrate their father's birthday, which was last Friday. He passed on several years ago. We miss him deeply. All right. Last night, I finally prepared, let me get it right, a gnocchi alla Fiorentina. Fun meal, 4 ingredients, super simple. I kicked up the sauce. It wasn't bad. It was a little on the sweet side for store-bought. Because I casual chefed it and had fun with it. And it went together so easy. I actually used 3 cheeses, not just 2. We had some Romano, whatever. Someday, I need another cup of coffee. So I added 3 cheeses: the Parm, Romano, and the mozzarella. Really fun. We had some leftovers. Really great. I did the long beans with mushrooms, which basically everything I bought at the farmer's market. The long beans, the red onion, which is a little baby, and the shiitake mushrooms. Added a little bit of garlic, some salt, some pepper. Topped it off with some butter. Yummy! And I still have long beans and the shiitakes and the red onions in reserve. Yeah. Tonight, like I said, Robin and her brother are going on a brother-sister date for the day after her hair appointment. So I'm home alone again. So I was originally going to go and do like McDonald's. Robin's like, just go out. So at 3:30 this morning, I was awake. Don't ask me why, but I was. With a calico cat snuggled into my side, I decided to do steak bites. So I'm doing steak bites with some shrooms and some other goodies. So let's get to it. It's a walk day. Yes, I love my walk. I got just about a pound here of London broil, some white whole mushrooms, some garlic. This is one of the sweet onions from the farmer's market yesterday. Some kosher salt, black pepper, good possibility of some Worcestershire sauce from Lee & Perrins. One of the great ingredients that I really thought about last night at 3 in the morning or 3:30 in the morning was the local spicery smoked paprika. Possibly going to add a little bit of kick from some Indian red chili powder and adding some sweet Mexican basil and Mexican oregano. And I'll be serving that over some cheddar mashed potatoes. The Simply Potatoes brand is really good. You add some salt, some pepper, and some butter. Almost homemade. Almost. Not as good as mine. So, on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.